Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious kimchi rice. First, ensure you have about 2 cups of cooked rice, ideally day-old as it fries better. Next, chop 1 cup of kimchi and set aside 2 tablespoons of its flavorful juice. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of gochujang for a spicy kick, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 egg for a perfect topping. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a fantastic meal. Let's get cooking. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped kimchi and saute it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully fragrant and slightly softened. Then, stir in the 1 tablespoon of gochujang and the 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice, letting it cook for just 1 more minute to combine the flavors beautifully. Now for the main event. Add your 2 cups of cooked rice to the pan with the sautéed kimchi mixture. Use your spatula to break up any clumps and stir everything thoroughly, ensuring every grain of rice is evenly coated with that delicious kimchi flavor. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, pressing the rice down occasionally to create those delightful crispy bits at the bottom of the pan. Almost done. Just before serving, stir in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to add a nutty aroma and a final layer of flavor. While the rice is finishing, quickly fry 1 egg to your preference. A sunny side-up egg with a runny yolk is highly recommended. Serve your kimchi rice immediately, garnished with fresh chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a perfect, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.